Hello, our team members are Lee Jae-won, Lee Joo-hee, Lee Chae, and Cha Jong-yoon. We are going to announce the effort to practice carbon neutrally in hotel. Our table of contents consists of this. Currently, as global warming gets very severe, we are facing many climate crises. According to a report of Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, the average global temperature rose 0.31 degree in 2012 compared to 2003. In addition, the IPCC warned that if currently greenhouse gas emissions are not reduced, they will rise to 1.5 degree within 20 years. Accordingly, the international community, business, and many people recognize the seriousness of the climate change problem and are implementing various carbon neutralization measures to solve it. Carbon neutrality means having a balance between emitting carbon and absorbing carbon from the atmosphere in carbon sink. It aims to achieve net zero emissions. However, hotels are getting very far from carbon neutrality because they not only use a lot of luxury lighting and disposable amenities, but also throw away a lot of bedding once every 1 to 2 years. In fact, according to data on energy consumption by industry in the building sector, 224 hotels account for about 9% of the total 2492 buildings in Korea. Therefore, we would like to create a clean environment and apply sustainable ESG management to hotel through carbon neutral research that hotel can practice.
Next part is research discussion. The topic of our research discussion is the limitation of practicing net zero. Currently, CO2 levels in the atmosphere continue to rise despite the COVID-19 epidemic. In addition, the past decade has been the most global warming in history, and fatal climate abnormalities are becoming more frequent. So many countries and companies are striving for net zero. However, renewable energy alone cannot cover current power consumption. So in the present, it is impossible to realize net zero except fossil fuel and nuclear power. In addition, it takes a lot of money to build new facilities. For example, California's power outage in 2019 occurred due to the lack of power by using only renewable energy. Since there is not much power that can be produced from renewable energy, power generation facilities are rapidly reduced, which led to this result. Next part is research question. Our research question is how the hotel industry will practice net zero. Here are 5 cases. First is to use the hotel's waste to upcycling. Upcycling is a compound word of up and recycling, which means converting waste into products with added value by combining advanced technologies and designs beyond simply recycling them. They make cushions, nosework for pet using numbers bedding thrown away from hotels, and also make apron, dolls, and reusable shopping bags using waste linen.
I will talk about the hotel's carbon neutral living practice business agreement. Carbon neutral living practice refers to climate behavior that homes and businesses can practice in major areas of life to prevent the concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere from increasing. It includes using high-efficiency electronic devices, using stairs instead of elevator, and reducing disposable items. In particular, Lotte Hotel signed a business agreement to spread carbon neutral living practices. with the Ministry of Environment in June this year. Lotte Hotel is providing free bottled water by replacing it with non-labeled products. In addition, plastic waste was reduced, disposable amenities were replaced with larger capacity multi-use dispensers, and boiler fuels to lower low carbon content were converted. Also, the Lead Zinc campaign was conducted. The Lead Zinc campaign is conducting broad activities of reuse, recycle, and refuse. Reduce is to reduce waste. Reuse is to use repeatedly. And recycling is to use a slight variation of an object. And refuse is not to buy unnecessary items. Throughout this campaign, Lotte Hotel is reducing plastic and vinyl waste by changing straw from all food and beverage businesses into paper straw and changing disposable products into eco-friendly products. Now, I will talk about eco-friendly and amenities. Most hotels offer disposable amenities such as disposable toothbrush and soap. This is a necessary waste of the environment. However, since the amenity provided to customer cannot be eliminated, we are trying to provide multi-use amenities such as eco-friendly toothbrush made of fast decomposition materials and eco-friendly large capacity containers for body wash.
Next is plugging campaign. Plugging campaign is compound word of plug up, which means picking up in Swedish, and jogging. Plugging campaigns are environmental protection activities that mean picking up trash while running. These campaigns are gradually expanding to various fields. Through this campaign, hotels can have time to pick up and recycle trash while walking around the trails around the hotel and realize the meaning of environmental protection. Marriott Hotel also launched a plugging campaign called Blue Sea Cleanup Campaign. Their guests pick up trash at Songdo Beach in Busan and learned how to discharge it properly. The last hotel's effort is the establishment of the Seoul Eco-Friendly Hotels Council. 24 luxury hotels in downtown Seoul have signed a business agreement to revitalize eco-friendly hotels to save energy and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. These hotels say they will make efforts to expand the use of new and renewable energy such as solar power, improve energy efficiency. Also, they will make efforts to join Eco Mileage Group membership, reduce waste such as food waste, and strengthen the separation of recycled waste. Through this agreement, it is expected that a sustainable eco-friendly consumption culture will spread to the hospitality industry. Then in what direction should research be conducted for hotel efforts for net zero in the future? Hotels should be taken not to allow activities for carbon neutrality to deviate from the environmental aspects and become a means of promoting the corporate image. In particular, it should not be overlooked that the activities of producing and distributing goods or kits to carry out environmental campaign can generate another waste. It is hoped that corporate participation will be studied in a more diversified direction without compromising the core value of corporate social responsibility of environmental protection. Thank you for listening.